Hey guys, we're on Orchard Street, the street for all things street, and we're checking out Ethic Clothing Company here on the Lower East Side. So along with the coolest clothing, caps and accessories, if you're after a skateboard, this is the place to come. Ethic Clothing Company are in collaboration with POW and they're doing their own individual designs on your skateboard.
Hey, how you guys doing? Rob, manager over here at Ethic Clothing Company in New York City, located in Lower East Side on Orchard Street. We have everything you need from awesome t-shirts, jerseys, and hats. Also jewelry. Come on down here, 147 Orchard Street, Lower East Side.